Hi everyone, today we are making roasted cherries with honey and pistachios, a very simple Mediterranean dessert that's quick to make, juicy, crunchy and full of flavor. Let's go! First I want to turn on the oven to 210 degrees. We want to roast the pistachios. They will stay into the oven during 10 to 15 minutes. And I put the sugar into this large saucepan, it's on medium heat. I add a little water, we want to make a syrup. Now I'm taking my cherries, I just rinse them, and of course you've got all the ingredients into the description below. I'm going to remove the stem. It's a very simple recipe, you'll see. And that's the season of the cherries, so that's good. Okay, good for the syrup. I can add the balsamic vinegar and the honey. I took a honey from Mountain, but you can take any honey, of course. I will let it reduce during 2 minutes, or 3 maybe. And then I can add the cherries and a little salt. It will increase the flavor. And then what you want to do is to stir it often during 5 minutes, 8 minutes maximum. You want to coat the cherries with the syrup. I'm going to prepare the fresh mint now. I take the leaves. In the meantime, the pistachios are ready. And then I'm going to chop the mint leaves. I want to chop them roughly. It's going to give it a little freshness. And I do the same for the pistachios. It's going to give us the crunch we need. And to be honest with you, I love pistachios. Even ice cream pistachios. I'm in love with that. And then we're good for the cherries. We don't waste anything. You want to serve it warm. You want to take the juice, of course. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this simple and delicious Mediterranean dessert. If you give it a try, I'd love to hear what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more easy Mediterranean recipes. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!